Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to do a guitar lesson tutorial on a song from an episode of The Office. Some of you guys might remember this. Season 9, episode 21, Livin the Dream. Andy Bernard plays a Sarah McLachlan song, I Will Remember You. He does a really good job at this song. It's great the way that he does it. So being one of my favorite shows, rocking the shirt for you, just to show you this song is pretty awesome. So let's take a look. The breakdown of this song, there's really not a lot. There's a lot going on, but it's really based off of this this little 4-chord structure. So I'm going to break it down into just a couple parts and make it really simple for you. So let's take a closer look and see how that goes. All right, so within this song, we really just have two parts. We have a chorus and a verse. So he plays a little intro lick, but it's the same as the choruses. So the way this is going to work, I want to run through it. We're going to do, I'll show you the intro lick, and then the chorus and the verse, and then it just goes back to the chorus. So you'll see when we get to it. But we got a chorus and the verse, and pretty much I'm going to break those into 2 sections each. So that way it'll be a little easier to follow. So the whole song kind of follows this little structure here. So this is what we're going to use for the intro, and it's just C, F, and G. So those are the 3 chords we're going to need for most of the song. So he does a little bit of accenting, this hammer on right here. And then when we get to the F, sometimes we'll pick this finger up. So, and then we'll switch to G. So for the intro, that's what we're going to do. We're going to go. So those are the 3 chords we're going to need. So let's walk through that a little closer. I'm going to inch out, give you guys a good view of what's going on here. So that's the pattern we're going to use. Okay, right there I just demonstrated some of the hammer-ons, the pull-off, and the G. So yeah, so for the intro, that's what he does. I like to play it like that. So before it goes into the chorus, because pretty much the song is going to start off on the chorus. So we do the little intro. And then vocals going to come in right here. So we're playing the same thing. This is the chorus. We're going to break it into two sections. So it's... So that's the 2 parts that we're going to look into. The beginning part is just this C to the G. The second part, we're going to do 2 more bars, and we're going to go now. We go C. So we kind of anticipate this F change, right? So we're going to come in a little early. So, don't let your life. Then we go F to C to A minor. So it's kind of a little walk there. So it's going to go, don't let your life pass you by, and weep not for. So that is going to be the chorus. It's going to lead us into the verse. So let's walk through that again. We're just going to go C. We're doing that twice. Now we're going to go. Pass you by. yeah, we're going to walk into the verse. So the verse also, we're going to break it up into two sections. So first we're going to start. I always end the chorus with this hammer on because the chorus ends with C and then the verse starts with C. So he does that to kind of break up the difference between the two. So so that it's going to go C. Don't remember all the good times that we've had. Don't let them slip away when things get bad. All right, so we're going to start off. We're going to start off on a C. Then we're going to go to this B flat. I'm going to walk you through this chord because it's a little tricky. So we've got the B flat, normal, and then here and here. So it's, I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, it just goes from that C to a G, twice. And then from there, we're going to go C to an A minor, to G to A minor. So the verse is, remember all the good times that we've had. Don't let them slip away when things get bad. So that's what I want to demonstrate as the first part of the verse. And then the second part is just going to be C, F to G. And we're going to do that twice. So that's going to be the second part. So yeah, let's go ahead and run through the chorus into that verse. I'm going to mumble the words here just to kind of give you guys an idea how it goes. So I will remember you. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by, and weep not for them. Remember all the good times that we've had. Don't let them slip away when things get bad. How clearly I first saw you smiling in the sun. Wanna feel your warmth, wanna be the one. I will remember you. Back into that chorus. Will you remember me? Don't let your life pass you by. Weep not for memories. So that's the whole entire song. So it's really not that involved, and it basically it just goes over and over that C to F to G. So that's all we're really playing on the whole time through. So I'll walk through some of those hammer-ons with you just so you can try to follow along. I'm going to go ahead and try to give you both of my hands here. So I'm just going to, the way I do it, the way I've watched it, the way I've seen it on the show, just kind of goes through that same pattern. So I'm going to play through the chorus. So I will let your life pass you by, and weep not for remember all the good times So again, I don't sing. I love this song. It's great. If you're looking to find it, season 9, episode 21. It's called Livin the Dream. Again, it's a Sarah McLachlan cover. Andy Bernard plays before he departs from the office. So super good episode, super touching. Yeah, so I hope you like. Please subscribe, give a like, and recommendations if you will. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed.